Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the battery percentage isn't showing on your status bar on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So if you don't see your current battery percentage on your smartphone's status bar right here, all you have to do is go to the settings, then open notifications and status bar menu, then navigate down to battery indicator and change it to either this one so that you can see your current battery percentage within the icon, or this one to see the battery percentage next to the battery icon. And that's how you fix this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.